Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new, hi, my name is Karina, also known as Ohmglashes, and if you're not new, then welcome back. So as you can see, today's filming is a little bit different. The vibe is going to be different, and if you can't tell by the title, if you're confused what is going on, let me give you the scoop. So first of all, subscribe to my channel if you love beauty content, lifestyle content, and obviously a little spicy content here and there. It is totally free to just subscribe and become part of the familia. So what is today's video about? For some reason, I am super nervous. I'm really excited, but I'm also really nervous, and I don't know why. So I decided to finally fix my teeth. If you guys have been watching me for a while, obviously you guys can see that I have a gap in my teeth. And if you're not part of my family yet and you're new and you're just watching this video randomly and you're like, okay, cool, you're getting your teeth fixed, wow. This is actually such a huge milestone. You guys have no idea how long it has taken me to finally want to fix my teeth. So let me just start off by saying that if you have a gap, don't feel the need that you need to close your gap. Don't feel like you are less pretty or anything because you have a gap. I've had a gap my entire life. I am 31 years old. I will be 32 pretty soon in March. Oh my gosh, I'm turning 32. Ooh. Let me backtrack and let me give you a little story of my teeth. And I have a theory. So listen to me, okay? So as you can see, I have a gap, obviously, very obvious. And then I do have crooked teeth on the bottom. And from what I've been told from a dentist before is that I actually don't have an overbite, if you notice. When I write down, I don't have an overbite, and I think it's like speculated or it's not known that having a somewhat of an overbite is actually normal. So if you have an overbite that is not too crazy, it's normal to have an overbite. Since I don't have an overbite, what I've been doing throughout the years is I've actually been causing so much damage to my teeth because my teeth are just going down and like chomping on one another. So I do have a lot of like little like razor bumps. I don't know if you can see them throughout my teeth. So that's something else that I want to get fixed. But anyways, so long story short, I've had a gap since I can remember, and I've always been unhappy. I've never hated my gap. I've never been that type of person not to smile because I don't have the prettiest of teeth, but I don't smile in family pictures. I don't smile in pictures in generally. I was doing a lot of research. 2022, I'm telling you guys, is a year for me, and I've decided to finally fix my teeth. I didn't want to get the regular braces. I don't know, like they're just not really for me, and I figured, you know, being an influencer, I know that has a lot of benefits to it, and I did tons and tons of research. I decided to reach out to the brand Byte, and I was lucky enough to get sent their entire kits for free. So when I was doing my research on what aligners were best, what aligners were most affordable, which is the most important to me, is to be able to afford the aligners. I obviously don't want to get myself into debt if I don't have the money, just because I want nicer teeth. So I decided to reach out to them, and they told me that I was a candidate for Byte. And so we jumped on a call and they approved me, and now they sent me their box. So I am going to unbox this with you guys, and we're going to send the kit back together. When you order your Byte impression kit, I do have to say that this brand just really stood out to me because of all the positive reviews. The customer service is chef's kiss, amazing. Okay, so you get a whole bunch of information, and they do have aligners for either day or nighttime. I'm gonna do the day ones just because I want my timing to go a little bit faster, but if you wanted to go a little bit slower, you can choose nighttime aligners. I'm okay with the daytime. I am a stay-at-home mom, and I can just work with that a little bit better. So let's get started with the procedure. I am so excited and just looking forward to this new journey, you guys. And of course, I'm going to bring you along with me. I will be giving you updates and things like that. So in the red box, you do get gloves, and then you get the smile stretcher, and then it comes with instructions in case you are bad at following instructions. This makes it pretty simple. They have a little QR code that you can scan, and then here it has the instructions. So make sure you read them before you go on any further. I'm going to take out my gloves, and then on the bottom you do get the trays, and it does say that you need to make sure that you check that they actually fit properly first. So let's do that. Next step, we are going to open our putty. It comes with a dark and with a light. And then we're going to be mixing one dark and one light. So here we have it, dark and light. We're going to mix them, but before that, I am going to put on my gloves. I did wash my hands. I just had dinner, but we still want to keep it clean since we are touching our mouth. I'm going to apply the putty into my tray, and it says that this does harden pretty quickly, so I have to be quick with this. And then once I have it on there, I'm going to go ahead and do the lower tray and make sure you bite down really good. Oh, this definitely gets drooly, so just be careful with that. But this is what my bottom tray looks like. Oh my gosh! I'm so excited to get rid of these crooked teeth. I definitely need to like fix the rest of my teeth and get them nice and like evened off. But that's a whole nother story. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the top. And then you want to repeat the same process with the last two trays, so one upper, one lower. I'm going to go ahead and finish that, and that'll be that. After you're done, you want to let these dry out for just a few minutes. And then what you want to do next, once they're completely dry, because mine are full of saliva, you just want to put them back in the kit that you got the little trays in, which are these. You just pop them back in, and it comes with a prepaid envelope that you just slide this in and then send it back. I need to go look for mine because I have no idea where it is. I've had this sitting in my mail room for a while, so let me go check. So I definitely messed up and I did accidentally throw the envelope. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna have to wait for them to send me a return label, and then we will ship them out and then wait for our new aligners. Eee! Let me show you guys up close. My smile. And I have a very gummy smile too. That's one of my goals, is to maybe like laser away a little bit of the gums so I can show my teeth a little bit more because I have such tiny teeth.